is Mac8619, and today I'm going to show you how to make some origami. So if you just get an A4 piece of paper and just cut it up like I have done here, so it's a square, and then basically we can choose what we're going to make, but I think we're going to start off with something simple, like one of my favourites, for example, like a pigeon. So you may not think it looks like a pigeon, maybe something else, but well, I think it was decent when I did it, so I'm going to try again. If it doesn't completely fold perfectly, then you can always just basically cut it with some scissors. For example, right here. It doesn't really matter too much. Oh, it don't seem to work properly. Okay, so we got it in half here, so basically just fold in half like so. Okay, and now we're going to fold it up like that, so it just goes past. We get something like this. There we go. And then now we take one sheet and then we fold it back. Not all the way, but so that it's bent a bit. And then do like that. And now here comes the trickier bit. We have to fold it in half. So try and make sure that tip touches the other one. And just do it like so. So it doesn't have to be completely perfect, but again, if you are a perfectionist, then you can always just cut a bit off. Okay, so now we have to fold both sides, so bring it up like that, and then we do the same for the other side so that they are even, and we should get something like this. Okay, and now look carefully. So for this side, what we're going to do is just get a decent amount of the paper and then just simply fold it so that it's easy to fold whatever way you want. And then we have to open it up and then we put it kinda inside. Okay. And then this is the hard bit where we try to take it out, and there we have it, a pigeon. And you can always just draw an eye on it or something, whatever you want to do, to be honest. It doesn't really bug me. If you really want to, then you can always draw an eye. Oh, that's fine. Like so. Well, there's your pigeon. I hope you like this video and subscribe, and yeah, that's pretty much it.